Introduction. Cells, the fundamental units of life, are the building blocks of all living organisms. These microscopic entities possess intricate structures and perform a myriad of functions that sustain life as we know it. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of cells, exploring their structure, organelles, and the diverse functions they undertake to maintain the integrity and functionality of living organisms. Cell structure. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, or cell membrane, is a thin, flexible barrier that surrounds the cell. Composed of lipids and proteins, it regulates the flow of substances in and out of the cell, maintaining the internal environment necessary for cellular processes. The plasma membrane also plays a crucial role in cell signaling and communication with the external environment. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the gel-like substance that fills the cell, housing various organelles and structures. It contains a combination of water, ions, proteins, and other molecules necessary for cellular metabolism and activities. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, housing the genetic material in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It directs cellular activities by controlling the synthesis of proteins through the process of transcription and translation. 2. Organelles and their functions. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. They are responsible for generating energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, through cellular respiration. Mitochondria have a double membrane and contain their own DNA, allowing them to replicate independently within the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes involved in protein synthesis and lipid metabolism. It can be classified into rough ER, studded with ribosomes and responsible for protein synthesis, and smooth ER, involved in lipid synthesis, detoxification, and calcium storage. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for transport within the cell or secretion outside the cell. It consists of stacks of flattened membranes called cisternae. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles that contain enzymes responsible for breaking down cellular waste, foreign substances, and damaged organelles. They play a crucial role in cellular recycling and maintaining cellular homeostasis. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane-bound sacs that store various substances such as water, ions, and nutrients. In plant cells, large central vacuoles maintain turgidity and contribute to the rigidity and structure of the cell. Conclusion. Cells, with their remarkable structures and intricate functions, are the foundation of life. From the plasma membrane that separates the cell from its environment to the organelles that perform specialized tasks, each component plays a critical role in maintaining the integrity and functionality of living organisms. By unraveling the mysteries of cell structure and function, we gain insights into the complexity and diversity of life itself. As we continue to explore and deepen our understanding of cells, we unlock the potential for advancements in medicine, biotechnology, and our overall comprehension of the remarkable world of biology.